Sunjohn, I have a gift for you, but before I give it to you, I just want to say thank you so much for what you've been doing for Haiti. Not only have you showcased Haiti to the world, you shine light on our country as well, and I just want to say thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm Haitian now. Listen, Haiti isn't just a country, it's a symbol of black freedom and a legacy we all have to protect. Thank you so much. What's your beautiful name?
Shavana.
Shavana. Shavana is on. Haitian girls are really beautiful, I'm not going to lie. Thank you, Shavana. Appreciate.
Thank you.
Appreciate. You know, you single or you married?
I'm single, though.
You single,
Every time I try to date outside my culture, it just does not work out. My mom tells me, no, jamais pas. You need to be with a Haitian man. So,
Trust
yeah.
me, jamais pas. You know, that's a typical African thing. Every black woman wants their daughter to marry into their culture. You know, I think you should listen to your mom. Your mom might be right.
You might be right.
Have you heard of Rankontre?
No, what's that?
It's a Haitian dating app with over 400,000 users. Every Saturday, people are getting married off that app, and the communities enjoy free wedding Jira Jonjo every Saturday.
I'm done.
I'm dead ass.
What's the name of the app again?
Rankontre, which means meet in English.
I know what that means. Look at you, you Haitian.
I'm Haitian now. I just
Okay.
need a little bit of touch of Creole in me. You know what I'm
Monsieur
saying?
Sunjohn Remy Soleil.
Another new name. Every day they give me a new name. What's going on? IT is on. Thank you, Mama, for the gift.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Guys, while you are getting married off Rankontre, you guys should leave some for my friends and my associates. Because my friends also need some Jiri and Jonjo. Tell them something in Creole.
Tout monde a download app là, ou ka jwen un petit ménage, pour un petit madame, un petit garçon, m'a raconter, et puis that's it, oui. Et puis that's it.
Happy that's it. Say merci beaucoup. What's going on?